We're a different type of group. So usually you go into the natural groups and then you just have a whole lot of people asking questions about their hair. Our group is a little bit different.
Okay.
So we have like daily conversations where we talk about the ups and downs about natural hair. We do different style polls and we host different hair challenges in the group also.
Okay.
But I am like a drama-free type of person, and I would really like to think my group is that way too. There's not a lot of drama going on, not a lot of people doing all types of things. It's very a lot of like-minded people to where they want to have healthy natural hair, and they're doing the things that they need to do to get there. So definitely join the conversation in there. It's Natural Hair Breakthrough. I do have that on your sheet. You'll see that on one of the sheets. It'll say Natural Hair Breakthrough. And you just get on there to be a part of the group, and you will enjoy all the good conversations, as well as we share different free resources on there, and of course those challenges. We do like braid out challenge, healthy hair boost challenge, all that good stuff. Yeah, it's really awesome. Not your usual type of Facebook group, I would definitely say, because I'm a part of some natural hair groups and it could be a bit much. But ours is pretty cool, laid back, and pretty chill, I'd say.